Hello, Flower Glamorous Cooking with Beverly family. Today we're going to learn how to take care of the curcuma ginger plant. This beautiful plant that you see right here. The curcuma ginger plant is also known as the Thai tulip ginger, the summer tulip, and the curcuma ginger. The Siam tulip is an exotic perennial that produces tropical looking pink blossoms. You see these beautiful blossoms right here? And they produce these blossoms from late spring to early fall. It tolerates salt tolerance, makes it deal with the coastal area. It prefers full sun to partial shade and will grow to 2 feet tall and moderately moist soil. I have this in a partial shade to sun area, and I got this plant, I guess about almost 2 months ago, and it is still blooming beautifully. And this plant is a perennial, so it will come back every year. The plant is not related to the tulip, but to get the name Siam tulip from its tulip-like blooms, and is one of the most ornamental flower of the various ginger species. It is commonly sold as a cut flower, and it can last for more than 10 days. This flower can last up to 10 days when you cut it and use it in an arrangement. And it is a beautiful flower, and the leaves on it are beautiful. Just look at that color, that red looking color going down that leaf. The leaves are just beautiful on this plant. The hardiness zones are zone 8 through 11. Let's learn how to care for this flower. Okay, you need to fully water it during the growing period. And you know the growing period is spring to fall. To keep the soil moist, watering should be done twice a week, or when the top 1 centimeter of soil has dried out. Water thoroughly until the soil is saturated, and you see all the excess water is fully coming out through the drain holes that you have in your plant. Or if you can plant this also in the yard. You don't have to put it in a planter like I have mine. You can also plant this in your yard or in your flower garden. It is a beautiful, beautiful flower. This ginger, this curcuma, I mess up this word. Ginger is a beautiful flower, and it looks like it belongs in the tulip family, but it does not. And look at those leaves again. And to have a flower in your garden that will have blossoms like this from early spring to fall is hard to find, really. It's hard to come by, to have such beauty as this ginger does. It's just outright beautiful. So I bought this flower at Lowe's, and they have them in other garden centers. So look out for this flower, because this is a good one to add to your collection, to put in your flower bed, to watch it grow. As it grows, just look at this beauty. A beautiful plant. You see that coloring there? Just beautiful. I hope that you have learned something from this video and how to care for this plant and what you need to do. Thank you for coming by and have a blessed day. Remember, I love you, but God loves you more because you are God's masterpiece.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing